In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF on Google Classroom. Uploading documents on Google Classroom has become an essential part of modern educational systems, providing a seamless way for teachers to share course materials and for students to submit assignments. Whether you're a teacher or a student, mastering this simple yet crucial skill will enhance your Google Classroom experience. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your preferred web browser and type in google.com into the search bar. This will take you to Google's homepage, the starting point for accessing all Google services, including Google Classroom. Once you're on Google's homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a sign in button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing your Google account, which is necessary for using Google Classroom. After clicking sign in, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with your Google Classroom. If your account doesn't show up, click on Use Another Account and enter your email. Next, you're going to enter your password. This is the key to unlocking your Google account, so make sure you type in your password carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, Google provides options to help you recover your account. After entering your password, click Next to proceed. You'll know you've successfully signed in when you see your Google account profile picture appear in the top right corner of the web page. Now for the part where we access Google Classroom, look for the Google Apps menu, visually represented by a grid of 9 dots, also located in the top right corner of the page. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear showing various Google Apps. Find the icon labelled Google Classroom and click on it. This action will take you directly to the Google Classroom platform. Once inside Google Classroom, navigate to the classroom where you wish to upload the PDF. Classrooms are typically either listed on the main page or accessible via a direct URL provided by your teacher or institution. Now let's upload that PDF. Look for a feature titled Announce Something to Your Class. This can usually be found towards the bottom of the Classroom stream. Clicking on it opens up a new posting window where you can attach files and type out announcements. In the posting window, you'll see a Google Drive icon. This icon is your doorway to accessing all the files you've stored in Google Drive, including the PDF you wish to upload. Click on this icon to open your Google Drive. Navigate through your drive to find the PDF file you want to upload. It might be nestled in a folder, so don't forget to check those if you don't immediately see your document. Once you find the PDF, click on it. This action selects the file for upload. After selecting your PDF, click on the Add button. This will attach the PDF to your announcement. You should now see the file listed in the posting window. Now that your PDF is attached, it's time to inform your class about it. In the text area of the posting window, type in your announcement. This could be instructions on what to do with the PDF, a brief description of its contents, or any context you think is necessary for your students or peers. Finally, it's time to share your PDF and announcement with the class. Look for the Post button. It's usually located at the bottom of the posting window. Clicking on it will upload your PDF to Google Classroom and share the accompanying announcement with your class. Congratulations, you've just uploaded a PDF to Google Classroom. This process, from signing into your Google account to posting on Google Classroom, is straightforward once you've done it a couple of times. Utilize this tutorial as a reference until you're comfortable doing it on your own. Remember, sharing educational materials and assignments has never been easier thanks to tools like Google Classroom. Happy teaching and learning!